Guangzhou Icesource Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise based domestically and global-oriented. We provide customers with advanced ice-making equipment, complete ice-making system, medium and high-end cold storage products, and engineering. The company was founded in 2010 and started R&D in 2004 as one of the largest manufacturers in the domestic ice-making equipment industry. Icesource has a modern production base of 20,000 square meters and nearly 300 employees. After years of rapid development, with continuous technological innovation and excellent product quality, Icesource has covered all over the country and exported to more than 150 countries and regions around the world. Icesource has gained brand awareness in the world. Innovation, technology innovation and leading the industry. Innovation is the driving force of Icesource development. Icesource adheres to the comprehensive development strategy of independent innovation and cooperation between industry university research institute, and creatively develops our own core technology. The company has gathered a group of R&D team SM of technical elites in the refrigeration industry and owns 30 national authorized patents. Many products are pioneered in China and the world. The company has been rated as the National High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Province Ice-Making Equipment Engineering Technology Research Center, Guangdong Innovation Capacity Top 500 Enterprises, Guangdong Province, Outstanding Enterprises. Icesource is the first in the industry to pass the National Intellectual Property Management System certification. Icesource is also a strategic partner of edible ice suppliers for major sports events such as the Olympic Games and Asian Games. Quality. Focus on quality and pursue excellence. Quality is the life of the company, and Icesource always puts the pursuit of high quality in the first place. The company successfully introduced the ERP management system with a high level of product delivery team and a team of highly qualified technical workers. The factory introduces advanced processing equipment, has strong production and manufacturing capabilities, adopts PMC system management, implements lean production, and strictly follows the quality control system. The annual output value of the factory are 300 million Chinese renminbi yuan. The company has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, Product CE certification, National Industrial Product Production License, and become a United Nations Procurement Supplier Number 601126. In the future development, Icesource adheres to the business philosophy of customers benefit from Icesource, and strives to build CBFI into a well-known brand in the global industrial refrigeration equipment industry. Guangzhou Icesource Company Limited.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.